We'll chant the Samarasya Shloka Sangraha all together. Om Bhagavaya Pratibodhina Bhagavata Narayanena Swayam Vyasena Pratinam Purana Munina Madhye Mahabharatam Advaitaamritavarshini Bhagavati Ashtadashadhyayini Ambatvamanusandadhami Bhagavad Gite Bhavattveshini Yam Brahma Varunendra Rudra Marutaha Sunvanti Divyai Savai Vedai Sangapadakramopadishadai Gayanti Yam Samaka Jnanavastita Tattvatena Manasa Pashyanti Yam Yoginaha Yasyantam Na Vidussura-suragana Devaya Tasmai Namaha Vasudeva Sutam Devam Kamsa-chanuramardanam Devaki Paramanandam Krishnam Vande Jagadgurum Mukam Karoti Vacharam Pangum Langayate Girim Yatkrupatamaham Vande Paramanandamaadavam Parasharyavachasarojamaharam Geetarthagandhodgadam Nanadhyanakesaram Harikatha Sambodhanabodhitam Loke Sajjana Shatpadairaharaha Pepiyamanam Muda Bhuyat Bharata Pankajam Karimala Pradvamsina Shreyase Atha Srimad Bhagavad Gitasu Mokshartham Yoga Pranali Samarasya Shloka Sangraha Shri Bhagavan-uvaca Aneka Chitta Vibranta Mohajala Samavrita Prasakta Kama Bhogeshu Patanti Narakeshu Chau Urvam Gachanti Sattvastaha Madhye Tishtanti Rajasaha Jaganyaguna-vritthistaha Adho Gachanti Tamasaha Chaturvidha Bhajante Maam Jana Sukritinojuna Arto Jijñāsurarthāti Jnāni ca Bharatarshava Kāyena Manasa Buddhya Kevalairindrayairapi Yoginah Karma Kurvanti Sangam Tyaktva-atma-shuddhaye Uttamah Purushastanyah Paramatme-vyudādhitaha Yo lokatrayamavishya Vivartya-vyaya Ishvaraha Tasmāt Shastram Pramanam te Karya-karya-vyavasthitau Jnātvā Shastra-vidhānoktam Karma kartumihārasi Samadukha-sukha-svasthaha Samaloष्टाश्मकाञ्चनः तुल्यप्रिया-प्रियो धीरः तुल्यनिन्दात्मसंस्तुतिः तुल्यनिन्दास्तुतिर्मौनी सन्तुष्टो येन केनचित् श्रीमद्भगवद्गीतासु उपनिषत्सु ब्रह्मविद्यायां योगशास्त्रे श्रीकृष्णार्जुनसंवादे मोक्षार्थं योगप्रणाली सामरस्य श्लोकसंग्रहः। हरि ओम तत्सत्। श्रीकृष्णार्पणमस्तु।
Namaste all the dignitaries. So I am here on behalf of Library Committee of SVSA under the guidance of Dr. Jairam sir. So the topic of this month is Bhagavad Gita. So total number of books, new arrivals to library is 312 from the publications of Ramakrishna Math, Advaita Asrama, Aurobindo Asrama, Gita Press, Bhaktivedanta Book Trust, Bhaktivedanta Book Trust, Chinmaya Mission Trust, and so on. So we are having new arrivals from academic related books regarding BNYS, Yoga School and Physiotherapy. We are having some interesting names over there, names of books over there. So Amen, the autobiography of a nun. Okay. So have you ever heard that name? So this book is by Sister Jasmine. So Autobiography of a Nun is a memoir that offers a candid and introspective look of the life of a nun. The book explores the author's spiritual journey, her experiences within the convent and her personal struggles and triumphs. Through her story, the author provides insight into the complexities of faith, devotion and self-discovery, inviting readers to reflect on their own spiritual paths. Then there is a spiritual anatomy by Daji. Okay, while telling about spiritual anatomy, we are having our Dr. Manjunath sir over here, he always explains about spiritual anatomy and all. So it is by the author is Kamlesh D. Patel, also known as Daji. It's a spiritual guide that explores the inner workings of the human heart and soul. Drawing from his own experiences and the teachings of his spiritual master, Daji offers practical insights and guidance on how to cultivate a deeper sense of spirituality, love, and spiritual awareness. The book provides a unique perspective on the nature of the self and the universe and offers practical tools of spiritual growth and transformation. Then, The Meditation and Spiritual Life by Swami Vivekananda. The Meditation and Spiritual Life is a collection of teachings by Swami Vivekananda that explores the practice of meditation and its role in spiritual growth. Swami Vivekananda emphasizes the importance of meditation in achieving inner peace, self-realization and spiritual enlightenment. Then Lilavati by Bhaskaracharya. It's a treatise on mathematics written by the Indian mathematician Bhaskaracharya in 12th century. The book is a comprehensive work on arithmetic, algebra and geometry and is notable for its clear explanations and innovative approaches to mathematical problems. It is considered as a landmark work in the history of Indian mathematics and its influence can be seen in the work of later mathematicians. Then Unique Verse, Peace of Mind in Unique Verses by Haridat Sharma. So that is another interesting work. So it's a Peace of Mind in Unique Verses by Haridat Sharma. It's a thought-provoking collection of poetry that explores the path to inner peace and mental serenity. Through his unique and inspiring verses, the book offers guidance on navigating life's challenges, cultivating mindfulness, and finding tranquility in a busy world. The poetry within these pages aims to soothe the mind, uplift the spirit, and foster a deeper sense of peace and well-being. So that is just a brief introduction about the books. So there are much more books in our library. So kindly, dear friends, kindly go through these books and uplift yourself as a student and as a good human being. Thank you.
Sarve bhavantu sukhinah. Sarve santu niramayah, sarve bhadrani pashyantu, ma kaschid dukha bhag bhavet. Om shanti shanti shanti.